Anna. So I decided to make a video another video today of me doing impressions. The first impression that I am going to master is trying to master. Now, before I do any impressions, I need to ask you. Comment below, say which one impression I did the best. So, here we go. The first impression is Victoria's own Cat Valentine, and so here it goes. This is the impression of her laugh. No, that was bad. That was bad. Now, if you think that I did best on that one, put below the comments below Victoria's cat, and I know you thought that I did the best on that one. Next, SpongeBob impression of his laugh. So that's number SpongeBob. If you think that I did best on that, do SpongeBob SquarePants and type it below. The next impression I am going to do is Tinka from Shake It Up. Why shouldn't my who's be boo? I see couples all around me, hugging, kissing. I want a date. That wasn't very good, but I did it anyway. Anthony's shooting. Okay, so that was if you think I did best on Tinka, put shake it Tinka. If you think below again, if you think I did best on that one. And last impression of the day. Last impression. What impression should I do, Anthony? Okay, the impression that I am going to do.
She's gonna do Hannah Montana.
Next, the last impression is, do I sing? Do I sing? Oh yeah, I did. I said sing. Do I sing? Like Adele. Okay, Adele, it's like this. I'm gonna sing something like it. You know how to settle down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Okay, so did I sound like Adele? Then if you think I sound like Adele the most, put the song, put Adele. Just put Adele, Someone Like You, and soon I will put a new video for one.